Wow.
What's up guys? So for today's video is mag-unboxing tayo ng ating iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wow! Alright, so excited na ako buksan itong iPhone 15 natin. So check natin kung legit talaga ito, di ba? Okay guys, let's open na natin guys ha. Let's count 1, 2, kulay black, 3. Yan, iharap ko sa inyo guys.
Wow.
Uy, sana all.
Oh, look at that guys. Tingnan mo guys, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Astig. Ayan guys, diba? Wow. Check natin. Astig niya guys.
No.